We know that as we grow older, maintaining an independent, active social life and enjoying the outdoor time is crucial to improving the quality of life. The Chwoonlai brand was born out of insights and commitments to the profound changes in the global population structure. As an old scooter professional company, we are committed to providing products and services that exceed expectations for elderly friends who seek safe, reliable, comfortable and fashionable personal travel solutions. Our mission: empower the elders, regain freedom for safety, and explore life gracefully. We not only sell scooters, we provide the key to opening a new chapter in life, so that you can confidently go to the market. Visit relatives and friends, enjoy a park walk, or participate in community activities, without fear of distance and physical limitations. And fully enjoy the rich culture and life. Strict compliance, safety first. 100% of our products comply with EU strict EEC standards, medical device directives, MDD, MDR, and related N 12180 for safety standards. Security is not an option, but our bottom line. The vehicle has undergone multiple safety tests and is equipped with advanced safety functions, such as electromagnetic brakes, anti-overturn design, adjustable seat belts, bright front and rear lighting and turn signals to ensure driving safety under various road conditions and weather conditions. At Chwoonlai, we believe that age should not be a barrier to exploring the world. We continue to listen to the voices of the elderly, invest in research and development, and continuously introduce innovative technologies to support the elderly group to maintain vitality, independence and close connection with the society with safer, more comfortable and more environmentally friendly solutions. Choose Chwoonlai. Choose a trusted freedom, and start your wonderful new miles.